Hello and greetings, Internet. It is your main man, Jay Dangle, and I am out here with these two beautiful ARs that we're going to be reviewing and comparing today. We got the DTI or DTL or whatever it is. I'm not entirely certain. And then we've got the Springfield Armory Saint, which is a beautiful AR. So without any further ado, let's get to it. What do you say we start shooting some guns? Cool. Oh, God. All right, whatever it fits. You just got to stuff it in there, you know? Roll it a little bit. You gotta, if you don't know, you gotta give it that little rolling action there before you put it in. This is either a 1/4 inch or 3/8 steel, and the 223 blows directly through it. So that doesn't say something for the 223. I don't know what does. Howdy.
How you doing?
Doing well. Yourself?
Good. You know this is private property?
I did not.
Yeah, there's houses right there. I mean, I have to
Okay.
turn my volume up on my TV because you guys are shooting.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah.
Game wardens are writing $380 tickets for people shooting there.
Okay.
So, state land's that way. Feel free.
To you?
Any Orange Gate, or if you go down Elfendal, you know where Elfendal is?
Yeah,
go
yeah.
to the end. There's a kiddie corner. There's a shooting range there.
Okay.
Shoot there, but here you'll get a ticket for sure.
All right. Well, thank you. I appreciate that. Well, guess that's that. Well, you guys, we got kicked out. Today, we're just going to be shooting the 223 55 grain, and we're going to be seeing what kind of damage that does to these metal targets we've got going on over here. We bought these cheap little paper targets right here. They don't stick to nothing, worth garbage, so whatever, we're going to shoot them. Over here, we've got a 1/2 inch thick steel plate that is covered in snow right now, but I figured that'd be cool when I shoot it off. So yeah, let's get to it without any further ado. We actually got one to go through, but I think it's because it hit one of the rounds that was on the other side. I mean, if you look there, that one actually went all the way through. We're going to compare that to the Springfield Saint and see if the Springfield Saint can produce any more damage than that. You hit it, but you hit it low.
Oh, the ricochet?
Yeah, that comes off and I can replace it.
My bad about the lens.
Oh, that's not your fault. I put the camera there. You know what I mean? So I can't exactly remember whose were whose holes, but I'm gonna say my hypothesis is that the grouping for my gun was a little bit better, which could be shooter, which could be gun. I don't know. There's the grouping on that. We can get a better idea of what gun performs better if we both shoot both guns. So we'll also put them on the table so we can look at them that way.
I think it might just be operator error on my part.
Here, let's put them all together. You can buy a cheap gun that'll perform just as well as, if not better than, an expensive gun. You can. So here's to say that you don't have to go and spend $3,000 on a gun. You can go buy a $200, $300, $400, $700 gun, whatever, and you can go out there and shoot with your friends and have a good time. Overall, what's your opinions of these two guns? What situations would you rather have each gun?
Nice. I like the Springfield. That's the M-lock. So I could add stuff onto it later. It's a lot easier with the keys. I have a strike fire sight on there. Don't know how I feel about it yet. I need to tune it in a little bit better. Yeah, other than that, it's all stock. Everything's stock.
It's a gorgeous gun. It feels good. It's lightweight. It's got an awesome scope on it. I think if it comes to a long range situation, I'm going with your gun all day long. Yeah. Short range situation, I'm going with mine because I have the iron sights on it. It's easier to sight on close range targets. Yeah. This is a cheaper, more beat up version, so I can take this gun out in the woods, in the snow like this, and not have to worry about it. This is a gun you have to keep in a case, you have to keep dry, you have to keep oiled and all that stuff. This, I mean, you still want to treat your guns nice, right? But this is a $200 gun you don't have to worry about as much comparatively to that one. So I'd say, you know, they both shoot just about as good as each other. It really comes down to the operator at this point, I'd say. And I think that, you know, go get the gun that you think, when it comes down to ARs, get the gun that you think is going to have the most capability. You know, when are you going to use it? It's all specific to you. What are you going to do with it? So that's what I have to say. Go out there and buy the gun that's going to be best for you. If you don't have a ton of money and you want to go out there with your friends, get the DTI. If you have some extra money to spend, you want a nice, clean, good-looking gun, go get the Springfield. I mean, it's just as simple as that. So until next time, you guys, keep dangling. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that garbage, you know, or don't. I don't care, whatever. So until next time, keep dangling, boys.